Hey guys, welcome to the final and last episode of Fighting AI with AI. If you haven't seen the first two episodes, I strongly recommend you go and watch them, as I'll be continuing off what I said in those episodes. You can find it in the I. And now, without further ado, let's get to it. This news article says that the Asia Pacific is unlikely to hit any SDG target by 2030. Now, what for the Asia Pacific region, how do we achieve the SDGs by 2030? We're going to be focusing on goal number 4, which is quality education. And how we're going to reach that is by teaching students using STEM AI. Now, the next question is, why is there a global crisis in teaching STEM? The answer is simple. It's too hard. But here's a successful example on how to do it, and that is to make it easy. In Bhutan and Royal Palace, they implement the UN SDGs with STEMSEL AI in schools. Here is an example, or here are more details on it. They learn RunLink, and with RunLink, you only require one line of code to create vision, and 2 lines of code to control anything anywhere. Now, this one line means that it's easy and fast, meaning that 8 years and upwards can do it, and it doesn't even take that long. So on the left are students ready for the judging events with their projects ready on the table, and then on the right is the group project, the intruder alarm. Now, the judging event happened in Bhutan, but our judges are all the way over here. And this is all done with the power of Wi-Fi. So, in Bhutan, they have all their projects, and they are currently using internet to call John Phillips and Peng Choo, which is all the way across the sea in Adelaide, South Australia. So they're starting an artificial intelligence training in primary schools currently in Bhutan. It's a race to transform STEM to STEMSEL AI. His Majesty is very keen to transform the country into a digitalized economy and is providing technical training to the workshops to the young kids and students. Here is a video about one of the projects, which is the wind generator project. It is used to power farmers in remote locations using IoT and AI to create a web page to count the production of power and the cost savings. And keep in mind that this student is only 8 years old, and this is what he's been able to do.
What's that? I think it's got like a dryer to make the fan go round.
So this is the wind power generator.
And it's got like light bulbs to show how much power. You can see that.
And this is made using RunLink, the STEMSEL AI. Now, John Phillips was the judge for the Transforming STEM to STEMSEL AI workshops in schools ranging from Bhutan, Malaysia, India, and also Australia. Here is Miro, the CTO from STEMSEL, and he coordinates the Australia workshops between Adelaide and Bhutan. On the phone, you can see is J, who basically runs the STEMSEL all the way in Bhutan. And this was filmed in the line following robot car workshop. If you want to check that video out, the link is in the description as well as in the I. Now this is me from DIA and SASB in Australia, and on the right are the students from STEMSEL AI workshops greeting the students attending STEMSEL AI workshops all the way in Bhutan. Now, to round this up, here is a map of the world as a conclusion. In 2017, I won the Royal Adelaide Show competition, which allowed me to fly all the way to Paris at the top with Peng Choo and the STEMSEL team. Over there, I attended the Global Social Business Summit and met Dr. Yunus. I kindly invited him back to Adelaide Down Under, where he launched the DIA initiative. Since then, it has spread to Sabah in Malaysia as well as Bhutan. Thank you for listening to this presentation. If you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up as well as subscribe. By subscribing, please also share this video as so we can share the DIA initiative with the rest of the society and the rest of the world. Share it with your community and post it on your social media or whatever, and we can get more kids to learn about STEMSEL AI in this growing world of technology. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you again in another video.